So what year is this car?
2007.
Okay, we're upside down in 2007 Edge, and I think that this brake switch is bad. So right now, we're gonna go ahead and turn the key on and try to shift the lever. You cannot, right? Okay, I'm gonna hit the brakes. Go ahead and shift the lever.
Yeah, there.
It worked?
Yeah.
Okay, and then I'm gonna let go. Okay, I cannot, right?
Yeah,
I'm gonna try to do it again. Try it again.
yeah, that works.
Okay.
Yeah, it's tough.
All right, so try again.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think if you go online or eBay or O'Reilly
Yeah.
and order this part, and then I think you just have to twist it or something, it'll come out of the bracket.
Okay. You just replace it.
Or just go on YouTube and see how you replace it. But you need to do
What is it called again?
just a brake switch.
Brake switch. Okay.
Brake light switch, brake switch.
Okay.
But you need to do that soon, like very soon, because it's very dangerous.
Yeah, I didn't even know that.